also weight enough lena by. Weight limit is not gonna be good enough. Oh. Don't like the no sati here.
कस्तो लाग्यो
What's up?
That's wired. Not good, man. We've been here before.
And guys, don't be like little babies, like my brother, because he's. I'm हाम्रो होटल रुमको जगाडीको 5-star restaurant पनि छ अरे एउटा डोनाल्ड ट्रम्पको शेफ छ अरे.
So there's like a water park, everybody. We're about to go to a hotel.
The water park, it's so nice.
So it's gonna be super fun, guys. Stay tuned.
For the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Dun, dun, dun,
यो चाहिँ
dun, dun.
स्टोव माउन्टेन भर्मनमा छ
Stowe. Stowe.
यहाँनिर चाहिँ एकदम केबल कारमा चढ्न पाइन्छ.
It's so fun, guys. You should really check it out. Yo place ma जानुहोस्. मैले 100% recommend गर्यो साथी. यहाँ मुनिदेखि गाडी पनि देखिन्छ.
So guys, you can see the hotel. It's super nice.
5-star.
We didn't book a hotel, but we just went on the cable car. So
One night for $2,000 अनि यहाँ ऊपर हेर्नु त पुल यहाँ पनि पुल रहेछ हामी अहिले त्यहाँ जान्छौँ अनि
so yeah, guys. So guys, we're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna record everything, so stay tuned.
धन्यवाद प्रभुलाई यसरी जोइन
Open, initiate.
go open sesame.
I didn't. Open sesame.
Mommy हेर्न Mommy हेर्न
Guys, I think there's gonna be a lot of fun stuff over there. So I think everybody should be seeing this. Give us a thumbs up. Give us subscribe. Comment down below. What do you think is your favorite thing that we did?
Yeah, right?